I just think bobs fit me so much better now. Hey girls, welcome back to the channel. Today I have Ari in the studio with me and we got Peppa Pig in the background. So I'm gonna try to film like a super quick voiceover. I'm trying to film like a super quick review of this wig before my camera goes dead and before she get pissed off that Peppa Pig is no longer on. Okay girls, so let's get into the lace and the hairline on this bob wig. So this is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, and the inches on this wig is 12 inches. Now this wig did not come with a pre-plucked hairline or pre-bleached knots, so off camera I did bleach the knots, and I am going to pluck the hairline in this video just to show you guys how easy it is to transform a wig that has not come to you pre-plucked. So right here I am just playing around with the parting, trying to figure out if I want to do a side part or a middle part. One thing I will say, I love the texture on this wig, and even though this lace did not come pre-bleached or pre-plucked, look at the parting space and the clean parting on this wig. Now this is what I love about a wig that doesn't come with all the bells and whistles, but when it's time to get like a bust down part, it's going to deliver. So keep in mind that the lace on this wig is only HD. It is not transparent. So because this is not a transparent lace, I am going to cut a lot of the lace off because it does not blend into my skin. Also, because this wig does not come with a pre-plucked hairline, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to go in and pluck the hairline on this wig. Now, if you want your hairline to look like this, you don't have to pluck it, but it doesn't give off a natural look, so I would highly suggest going in and plucking the hairline just a little bit. Now, I did pull out some baby hairs just to help with securing the wig and spraying the Got To Be Glue gel spray. The Got To Be gel, girl, listen. The Got To Be Glue hairspray, just because it does help blend the lace into the skin a little bit better compared to not using anything at all. So that's why I'm using the spray to secure the sides down on the wig. And I did accidentally cut way too much lace off on the side, but I'm just going to fix that by just pulling out some baby hairs on the side. Okay, so the wig is secured, and I will go back in the hairline a little later in the video and fix it because it's not really giving a natural look right now. But in this clip, I'm going to go ahead and start straightening my hair. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I like this texture on this wig. It's not a thick, kinky texture, but it definitely has a heavier or thicker density than what most straight wigs would come with. So I do love that I get a good amount of texture and volume when I straighten this wig. Now this wig again is 12 inches, but I feel like it's different lengths. Like I feel like the front may be like a 12 and the back may be a 10 because it's definitely given two different lengths. So anyways, I'm gonna continue straightening my hair and then I'll be back.
Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, you definitely don't have to go in and do any type of plucking to the part because it's just perfect. However, I always like to go in with concealer just to emphasize that part, just to bring that part out and make it a little bit more visible on the wig. Now, like I said, this wig has two different lengths to it, so I am going to cut off some of the hair and try to make it even. I feel like it just gives a more clean look, especially when it comes to wearing a bob. So yeah, I'm just going to cut some of this hair off, and it's going to help transform the wig, I think, too, to make it look a little better because it wasn't really giving at first. Yes, girl. So clipping the ends on this wig definitely transformed this wig into something so beautiful. And I was actually skeptical at first because I was like, this is not going to work. But I said this would be a really good time to share with my girls how to transform a wig that does not come with a pre-plucked hairline, and the lace may not necessarily blend into the skin. So you could definitely wear the wig just like this. And honestly, I didn't even realize how cute this particular look was before I actually decided to go in and pluck the hairline. Okay, so real talk, I'm gonna just say this next step is totally optional because I really like this look. So now I'm gonna go in the hairline like right beside my part and pull out some of the hairs just so that the hairline looks a little bit more thinned out instead of looking like so defined, if that makes sense. Because like you can tell where I cut off the lace, and you can kind of get like this boxy look. And so see how plucking a little bit of the hairs elevate the hairline? Like look at the difference. Yeah, okay, so I am happy that I made the decision to go ahead and pluck some of the hairs on the hairline, but I didn't do a whole lot. So as you can see, it's really easy. Just make sure you're moving the tweezers consistently throughout the hairline so that you're not getting any bald spots. So I mean, it's a real quick, easy fix. Okay, so I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This wig turned out to be really cute, and I'm actually glad that I decided to install this wig and film it just to show the transformation and to just, also show you guys that you don't necessarily have to get a pre-plucked wig and pre-bleached knots to have like a nice install. So hopefully some of the tips that I share in this video can help you on your next wig install. I would definitely pick up this wig from ReCoolHair. Love the texture, love how this wig turned out. So yeah, I'll make sure I have everything below in the description bar. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.